Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. Today this is CNO on the screen and you are watching CNGro Councils and Forex Trade. Today I bring to you another wonderful video, although I've made a video on this already in time past, but I still want to reiterate and to give more emphasis, okay, on the double top pattern. It's a very important pattern that is highly respected, highly obeyed on boom and crash, especially boom. Okay, it's obeyed like crazy. I mean, it's obeyed whenever you get a valid one, just like this. I made a video where I gave detailed explanation on how to trade the double top pattern, and here is another video in that regard, and I placed the trade and the trade is running. As you can see, this is 1 hour time frame. And please, if you are new on this channel, because this video is not going to be long, if you are new on this channel, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. And if you are a returning subscriber, please, I'd like you to like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. I want you guys to be profitable. I want you to be proficient. Now, I placed a trade on this boom 1000. Why did I do so? I discovered a valid double top pattern. Okay, I discovered a valid double top pattern, just as you can see. Okay, remember that you really need to be observant enough so that you'll be able to note when this kind of pattern is met. Okay, remember, I always say that your ability to spot the move of the market early enough will help you to take advantage of whatsoever the market is doing. And as you can see, I spotted this. Okay, I spotted this. I discovered that the market, although not trending, this boom is not actually on a serious downtrend. Okay, if you look at, yes, but the uptrend is almost exhausted. Okay, the uptrend is almost exhausted, but I looked at it that is giving me a double top pattern. Even on the 4 hours time frame, it's obvious as well. Okay, this is a double top pattern, is giving me, and there is an alignment in several time frames, starting from the 4 hour time frame. Okay, but I'm taking my signal from the 1 hour time frame, the most obvious. Okay, now I spotted that the market made a bullish move, okay, from here. Okay, and then I looked at several rejection candles, okay, around this area, several rejection candles around this area. Okay, just as you can see, look at it, several rejection candles. Okay, and then the market made a bearish move, okay, and then decided to make another bullish move to test that level. So as soon as I saw the movement towards this level to test it, I got prepared to place this trade. Okay, but I didn't just place the trade blindly. I waited for price to be rejected still around this area. Okay, now remember that this is double top. Look at it, and then look at the space in between. Please, if you are here to watch my video on how to trade double top profitably, please, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you go and watch the video so that you have a better understanding. I'm making this video, this follow-up video, so that I will make it clear for you to believe me that double top pattern, especially valid one, is one of the most respected pattern on boom and crash. Okay, just as you can see. Now, even if I decide to exceed this trade right now, I'm already in profit, in good profit. Okay, I've been on the trade for roughly an hour. Of course, the candlestick you're seeing is 1 hour candlestick, so I placed the trade here, of course, early enough. So even though this double top is not an ideal one, okay, because of course you remember what I said, it's not an ideal one because the neckline is too extended. The neckline is supposed to be here for an ideal double top, but the neckline extended to this point now. So catching this signal early enough will help me to ride this market, okay, and remember that for an ideal double top, you are supposed to enter the trade at the break of this neckline. But because I'm catching the trade early enough, I may decide to exit the trade somewhere here before even breaking the neckline, or I will exit somewhere here. Of course, since it's not an ideal double top, okay, it may not even break the neckline which is here. Okay, that's why I decided to take the trade, and I'm going to ride this trade at least 2 hours. Remember, this is already 1 hour candlestick that's about closing. Okay, about 16 minutes to go. All right, now if I decide to close this trade now, I will still be in good profit. But I also said I might decide to ride the trade for up to like 2-3 hours before it will get to this neckline region. Okay, remember that for an ideal double top, you are supposed to enter your trade somewhere, but this is a sniper entry because I was able to spot the move of the market, and I'm going to ride it down until at least this level, and then I will exit the market. Now also, I can decide to add my moving average to see if it's giving me a share. I might also use that as my exit. Okay, on the main chart, I might decide to add my moving average with these parameters. Okay, have you seen it? I can also decide to exit the trade as soon as the moving average makes contact with the candlesticks, and then maybe after 1 or 2 candles after the interactions, I can decide to close my trade and then take my huge profits. Now, if you move to a lower time frame, you discover that the market has actually trended. There are confirmations. Okay, the double top is also obvious on M30. Okay, so I'm gonna ride this trade until probably I get to this region. Okay, and then I'll exit the trade. That's a huge sum of money. So guys, that's how we roll. That's how we trade the double top. And don't forget that I said it's one of the most respected or obeyed classic pattern on boom and crash. You just have to identify a valid one just like this, and then you are good to go. You make your money. So if you have watched this video to this very end, please, I'd like you to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. And if you are new on this channel, please don't hesitate to do so, because it's happening here. Follow my teachings, follow my instructions, the expositions, the secrets revealed on this channel, and you are good to go. You'll be making your money, and you join the crew to testify. Meanwhile, this is CN Great Counsels signing out for today. And I also want to use this opportunity to still introduce my mentorship program onto you. It's going on already, and if you want to level up your trading skills, if you want to be a competent trader who will look at the market and then analyze and place your trade, and you place your stop loss and then your TP, you're good to go. You go rest and then do whatever you want to do for the day. Then hit me up and let's talk about it. I'll be glad to mentor you to competence. Okay, I'll be glad to mentor you to competence. So I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.